It's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Adventure is still a part of your life. It just has a little different meaning now, and this Grand Caravan is the perfect tool for it. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, and V6 engine. New car test drive highlights: the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super Stow and Go, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Every Dodge delivers a signature thrill. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.